Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can clear cache on your Chromebook device. And clearing cache is very useful for a lot of reasons, and one of them is you're going to be able to store more data, and cache are just temporary data, and it's better to just remove them once you are no longer use them. And also removing the cache can sometimes make your device feels a bit lighter since there are less items stored in your device. So here's how you can remove cache on your Chromebook device, but I want to let you know that there are two different methods to removing cache on the device. The first is by using Google Chrome. So basically a lot of things that's happening in the Chrome OS is actually part of Google Chrome. So if you are removing cache on the Chrome browser, it will also remove cache on some apps that rely solely on the browser to run. But also there is an option to remove cache on a dedicated app that you might install using Google Play Store. So let's start with removing cache from Google Chrome. First, of course, you have to launch Google Chrome. Alright, now let's go to the menu right here that is located at the top right corner of the screen and navigate to settings. And then on the left menu, click Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. Now you can see that there are two different methods. There is a basic and there is also the advanced method, but they are actually the same thing, except the advanced version is just more elaborate than the basic mode. But in my opinion, they look alike, and I don't think you would really need the advanced mode because we just want to remove the cache. So let's go with the basic mode, and then here you can select time range. You can select cache from maybe the last hour, the last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and also all time. I'm going to select all time, and here just check the cache images and files. You are okay to disable the check or uncheck the browsing history and the cookies and other site data. In fact, the cookies are actually very useful, and they only take maybe a few megabytes of storage space, and they are useful. They are responsible for signing in your account to some online services. So if you remove this, then some websites that you're using by sign in, then if you remove this, you are going to be logged out from the website, so you have to enter your username and email again and password, and I think that's just really annoying. So I think it's better to just leave the cookies and other site data to be unchecked in this particular tutorial. Anyway, enable cache images and files, and then you can click delete data. Oh, I think I forgot to mention that some apps in Chromebook do use or store cache via Google Chrome. So for example, there are some apps that relies on the browser to run. This is one example. This is the Chrome Remote Desktop. This is the app that I use to mirror my Chromebook to my computer. And this is not really an app. This is more like an extension that uses Google Chrome. So if I remove the cache from Google Chrome, then the cache of this tool or this app will also get removed. Anyway, let's continue with the deletion process. I'm going to click delete data and just wait until the process is finished. So right now I have deleted the cache on my Google Chrome browser, and to some extent it will also remove some cache from some apps in the system. Anyway, let's move on with the second tutorial, which is removing cache of apps that you might have installed using Google Play Store. I'm going to close Google Chrome. And for the demonstration, I'm going to remove the cache of this app. I actually just got this app from Play Store, and this is just a browser. And in order to remove the cache on an app from Play Store, you can right click on the app, and then you want to click App Info. Alright, now click Manage Permissions. And this will open an Android-like interface, which I believe some of you might be familiar with. And this is where you can see a lot of settings of the app. But there is no option to remove the cache. This is because Google just released a new update to Chrome OS, and basically now that setting is hidden. And in order to reveal the setting, you have to click on this app icon, which is just an interesting way to access the setting. Now you can see that there is an extra setting that we can access. And in order to remove the cache, you have to navigate to storage and cache. And you want to click clear cache. And there you go. So that's how you can remove the cache of the browser and also the cache of an app that you got from Google Play Store. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Have a good day and take care.